Welcome to your 9th tutorial on beginning HTML. This is going to be a quick tutorial. I just wanted to talk about nested elements. And what nested elements are is putting an element inside another element. It's that simple. Now, the only element that is not inside another element is the HTML element, and that is called the root element. But then we would say that the head element and the body element are both nested inside the HTML root element. And within the head element and body element, you can obviously put other elements inside those elements. So the P element here is nested inside the body element. And we would call this the child element and the body element the parent element. So the body element is the parent element and the P element is the child of the body element. That's how that works. So it's always good to put the starting and closing tag inside the parent element. So what we don't want to do is like start a closing tag here and then put the closing P tag outside the closing body tag. That's called a mismatched element, and that is not a good idea. You'll start to encounter a lot of problems if you do that. So just remember that. Always keep the elements nested inside each other and keep in mind that parent-child relationship. Okay, as I said, this was going to be a short video. That's it. I will see you guys in the next video.